everybody. I was going to say good morning. It's morning over here. I'm Dr. Mo. I am a professor of communication here at University of the Pacific. I teach interpersonal communication. I teach the senior capstone course. I teach health communication. I teach one more class that's not coming on my note, communication theory. That's the fourth one. I also, on the side, do close-up magic using playing cards. So in the spirit of Halloween, I will be doing a trick for you. So this trick's pretty simple. It starts off with my volunteer here picking a card. Go ahead and get one, Jacob. Doesn't matter which one. Go ahead. Yep. Show everybody, but don't let me see. Okay. All right, now this trick is very simple. Okay, Jacob, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna put it anywhere in the deck. Okay. And in front of the camera, will you just shuffle up? Go ahead. Shuffle the trick up. Yep. There you go. He's just shuffling. He picked his card. He's gonna shuffle it up real good. And then I'll give him some very specific instructions on what to do next. All right? Thank you, Jacob. That's perfect. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in here really quick and see if I did the trick right. If I did it right, let's see here. Okay, here's how it works. Okay, I'm gonna show the camera and we're gonna see if we can find Jacob's card. Ready? Tell me if you see it. No? If I did it right, Jacob. If I did it right, your card should be on the other side of the window. What?